In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Functions.Php file of your WordPress theme. This process will only take a few minutes and can unlock the full potential of your WordPress site. First, let's head over to Wordpress.com. This is where you need to be if you're planning to make any changes or enhancements to your website. Once you're there, the next step is to log in to your account. Look for the Login button to proceed to the login screen. When you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. This is like the control center of your website, where you manage everything from posts to settings. Now, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, locate and click on Appearance. This section allows you to manage everything related to the look and feel of your site, including themes and widgets. Once you're in the Appearance section, you're going to want to look for Theme File Editor. Click on it and you'll be given access to the underlying code of your current theme, including the all-important Functions.Php file. The Functions.Php file is a bit like the engine of your theme. It allows you to add features and functionality to your WordPress site without having to write a plugin. Once you're in the theme file editor, find the file list on the right side. You'll see the Functions.Php file there. Click on it and the code will load up in the editing area. Before you make any changes, I highly recommend that you back up this file, just in case you need to revert to the original at any point. With the Functions.Php file open, scroll down gently until you reach the very bottom of the code. This is where you'll paste your custom PHP code. Make sure that the code you're adding is correct and won't create errors on your site. Even a small error in this file can cause issues, so it's always good to double-check. Once you've pasted your custom PHP code at the bottom, take a moment to review everything to ensure all is as it should be. Finally, it's time to save your changes. Once complete, your new code will be live on your site. Remember, if something doesn't seem right, you can always return to the previous version by restoring from your backup. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the Functions.Php file of your WordPress theme. This small customization can make a big difference in how your site operates. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!